beginning of the day is when you're getting primed to be able to handle any punches that come in there. Make sense? But you need to open the window of tolerance at the beginning. Open the fuck out of the window of tolerance at the beginning. How do you do that? My suggestion, starting point, don't get mind heavy. What do most people, they wake up? Here's a phone, you're getting mind heavy. The only thing that your newsfeed represents is one of two things, what you like and what you really don't like. That's the only thing that gets picked up on an algorithm, because they work out that that's where you want to pay your attention, what you're scared of and what you're going towards. So if you really like Porsches, you'll see a lot of Porsches on there, and if you really don't like snakes, you're going to see a lot of snakes on there or images of. Does that make sense? So can you imagine that when you're going like this, all that you're really doing is you're ingraining and you're thickening your attention to your mind. Don't touch your damn phone first hour in the morning. Give your head a break and replace it with some exercise or something that will start moving the hell out of getting you in your somatic body. I need my body connected before I start the day. You don't need your head connected. You need your body connected. Okay? Your body is where all your unprocessed shit is. So whenever you tackle the world, that's what's really going to handle it. The problem if you're not connected there and you're connected in your mind, when something hits your body and the trauma or a hook gets hit, etc., it goes straight to your brain. You start getting thoughts. Crazy thoughts, and you can't get out of thoughts. That'll still happen, but at least you'll give yourself a resilience level because you're connected much more to the body.